So what's up all your Flux Automators, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Mini 5 Pro once again, and this time we're going to put it on a speed test. We're going to compare it to the Mini 4 Pro and the Flip. Now I'm wondering, how much faster is it than the Mini 4 Pro and the Flip in total? So to do this test, I'm going to bring it down to like 10 feet and zip it from one end of this pitch to the other, and hopefully not crash it into anything. So let's get started and wish me luck. So the first drone we're going to try out is the Flip. That's right, we're going to try this little slow thing. Even though it does so many great things, how fast is it compared to the Mini 4 and now the Mini 5? Bring it up. So next drone obviously is the Mini 4 Pro. So we're going to see how fast this can get from one side of the pitch down to the other. And obviously it's going to be faster than the Flip, but how much faster? Bring it back, bring it up. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back, bring it up. Okay, so now moving on to the final drone, which is the Mini 5 Pro. This hopefully will tear it up. It is a bit windy out here, and the other ones have been through the same conditions as well. So, you know, if it was a great day where there's no wind, there may be a difference, but we can only deal with what Mother Nature provides to us today, and a little bit of wind didn't hurt anybody. Hopefully not a drone anyway. Okay, so we have gone out and tested the 3 drones. Now, as you'll see on this end part of this footage, I did crash it into some trees because I really thought I could slow it down in time, but luckily, it didn't break anything apart from one of the propellers, which I've switched out now. So yeah, that shows you how good these DJI drones are. Okay, let's head back to the studio and look at the times of the drones. Obviously, this is going to be the faster one, but how much faster is it?
3, 2, 1.
So as you can see, obviously the Mini 5 Pro is the winner, coming 1.1 seconds faster than the Mini 4 Pro and 2.6 seconds faster than the Flip. And also, just to let you know, when you're flying this, make sure you have enough stopping distance, because I didn't, and this crashed into the tree. Luckily, only propeller got damaged, but it could have been way worse and I could have to send it back. But thankfully, DJI built something really robust. So we're still in action. Okay, so make sure you stick with the channel, because I'm going to be doing some more crazy stuff like this in the next video.